Okay, good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make cucumber spicy salad or yum tang khoa. All the ingredients look quite many, but actually no. This one, if you don't like, you don't have to put mainly all the vegetable. This one good for summer because our summer start, right? And then you can have like snack, or if you don't feel hungry, or if you want to lose weight, you can have this one, and easy to make. The ingredient is quite basic. Okay, the other ingredient we use now. This one for the sauce. Pickled garlic, I slice into small pieces with the 3 tablespoons of the water, sugar, cucumber. This one the main thing, cucumber. This one just egg. I boil the egg, chilli. This one how much as you like, and lemon juice, minced chicken, and prawns. Like I said, these two, if you don't like, you don't need to put. And all the vegetable. I slice the white onion, green pepper, red pepper, tomato, and sliced celery, fish sauce. Okay, and now we start to make the sauce. Okay, while we waiting for this one, we boil the egg. Okay, first we make the sauce. We put the water in here, like 2 or 3 tablespoons, and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. You can adjust the taste from what you like. Three tablespoons of lemon juice or lime juice. And this one, pickled garlic. 3 tablespoons, and crush the bulb of garlic. Okay, we call the bulb of garlic into the clove of garlic become small pieces.
How many have you made?
Two bowl, the big one, the big bowl.
2 whole bowls?
Yeah, the whole bowl. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar, but not really full. And then you stir it until all those melt, and then you just off the gas. I add another half tablespoon of fish sauce. And then only when everything melt, and you taste it from what the taste you like, you take it out and leave it cool down. And now we cook the meat. Okay, we boil prawn. I like this one, this dish. Not heavy. Okay, after that we cook minced chicken. So after that, okay, all the meat have cooked, and then wait for the egg. Just leave everything cool down. Yeah, the sauce and the meat, leave it cool down. While we waiting, we slide cucumber. We use baby cucumber. Why we use baby cucumber? It's very crunchy.
And this one, if you use the normal cucumber, you have to scoop out the soft seeds.
Yeah, become
But this one no need.
No. Yeah, we boil the egg about 5 minutes. Yeah, the water boiling, and then after that you off the gas, leave another 5 minutes, and then you put in the cold water and you peel the shell off. Okay, now we start to mix the sauce and the ingredient and the meat. Okay, we put chili, the one we crush the chili. Minced chicken, prawn,
Nice?
and then all the vegetable, the one we have prepared, we put it all.
You make what the tomato got a lot of water.
No,
Alright.
no, because
The cherry tomato goes so well.
but no, this one so far, because after we mix and then we straight away eat, we don't leave it. And then cucumber last. I just top off spring onion and coriander. Yeah, look, น่ากินไหม Okay, and egg, the one we have boiled, and we cut into small pieces. And then we ready to serve. That's it. And then we top of boiled egg. And dressing with spring onion and coriander. And that's it, yeah, ready to serve. This is how cucumbers look like.
Alright, so we're gonna try this yam teng kwa. Smells good. It's really good. It's not as punchy as your som tam or yam nua salads of that ilk, but it's a bit more of a kind of light summer salad, packed full of protein, and you know, it's got your chili, a bit more sour, less intense flavor profile than the usual Thai salads, but it's there, and it's just refreshing and light. Very crunchy and crispy. It's really good. Now it's getting spicier. A great meal. I think you could eat this by itself without any rice or carbs. So yeah, great for the summer. And give it a go. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.